Each year, conforming loan limits are updated, and for 2023, it's important that borrowers know what changes are coming and how they can benefit those, whether you're buying or purchasing a home. I'm Jason Skinrood, mortgage loan officer located in Salt Lake City, Utah, with licenses in multiple states. Thanks for coming and checking out this video. I hope that you find the information useful, that you'll consider giving it a thumbs up and subscribing to my channel. In this video, we're going to be covering the 2023 conforming loan limits and how those affect you, whether you're buying a home or you're refinancing your existing home. It's important to know that each year, the conforming loan limit is set by the Federal Housing Finance Agency, and agencies like Fannie Mae and Freddie Mac use the loan amount set by the FHFA to determine their conforming loan amounts and the corresponding underwriting guidelines with that. The Department of Veteran Affairs also uses that amount for their maximum guarantee in the event that a veteran has 2 or more VA loans at the same time. The 2023 conforming loan limit for the 48 continental United States, the District of Columbia, and Puerto Rico will be $726,200. Now that is about a 12% increase over the loan limit for 2022. It applies to single unit properties, and for properties that are 2 to 4 units, those limits have also been increased for 2023. For high cost markets like Alaska, Guam, Hawaii, and the Virgin Islands, and other high cost metropolitan statistical areas, the high balance or high cost loan amount is going to be $1,089,300. That's also about a 12% increase over 2022. It applies to single unit properties, and for properties that are 2 to 4 units, those limits have also been increased for 2023. As a potential home buyer or current homeowner, you're probably wondering how these 2023 loan limits can help you. And so let's go through a couple of different scenarios to show you how. Okay, so here I've got the 2023 conforming loan limits pulled up for the continental United States, District of Columbia, and Puerto Rico. For a conforming loan, when you're completing a home purchase, the minimum amount that you have to put down is 3%. And so with the new updated loan limit of $726,200 there on the first line, the maximum sales price would be $748,659. And so taking advantage of a conforming loan in this particular scenario is good, because conforming loans are oftentimes a lot easier to qualify for than some of the jumbo products out there. If you're a current homeowner that owns a home and you're wanting to do something like a cash out refinance where you have to have at least 20% equity in your home, then you're looking at your home's value, or the minimum home value, being at that $907,750. Having that 20% equity gets you to that $726,200 that you can use funds for either home improvement, debt consolidation, whatever it is that you want. If you want to purchase a home and put 20% down, that also shows you what the maximum purchase price would be at that $907,750. For high balance loan limits, so again, that includes Alaska, Hawaii, Guam, the Virgin Islands, and other high cost MSAs. We've got our high balance loan limit there on the left. High balance loans require a minimum of 5% down, so that would give you a maximum sales price of $1,114,631. If you are a current homeowner and want to do a cash out refinance to take advantage of some of the equity in your property, then you're looking at the minimum value of your property needs to be that $1,361,625 in order to be able to take advantage of the full 80% and still have a conforming loan balance of the $1,089,300. So purchases, again, the same situation and scenario there. If you decide to put 20% down, you're going to be capped at the $1,361,625. Now, real quick before we end, for veterans, want to talk specifically about VA loans. Again, if you just have one VA loan, there is no maximum loan limit. This conforming loan limit only applies in the event that you have 2 or more VA loans at the same time. There's a whole calculation that has to be done. I can provide you with that information, or you can look that up somewhere else on the internet. But just know that the conforming loan limit only applies to veterans who are getting VA loans when they have 2 or more at the same time. So hey, I wanted to say thank you for checking out this video. If you need help with your home purchase or refinance, then feel free to reach out to me. I'll provide some information down below where you can contact me. And if you have any comments about this video or questions, be sure to ask them down below. Thank you for watching.